Hello and welcome. Today I'm going to go over how to change headlight bulb, just your regular beam on a Volkswagen Rabbit. It's also the same for the Jetta, Passat, most of the Mark V Volkswagens. So by the end of this video, you will know how to get in there and replace it. Super easy. Anybody can do it. Let's jump into it. Start off by hitting the release here. That opens the hood. You got a latch under here. Get that open there. Jump right into it. That's what we're looking for right there. That's where the light bulb holder is inside there. Cool. So turn this righty-tighty, lefty-loosey. So it's going to turn away there. Pops off. You don't need a lot of force. So if it's not coming, something's wrong. It should just come off pretty easy. Pops right off. That's it right there. Behind that, you can see right in here, there is a holder for the bulb. That's also going to twist righty-tighty, lefty-loosey. So on this side, it's going to push to the outside of the car and come out. That is the light bulb cradle. Don't touch the bulb. Grease can shorten the life of it. Either wear gloves. If you have some rubber gloves, that's good. If you got a clean paper towel, not a greasy one like mine, you can use that. I'm just going to be really careful and pull it by this metal edge. So that's what it looks like. You can't mess it up. It just pops right in there. There's also a little fail-safe here, so you get it in the right way there. You got this guy, so it has to go in that way. Can't mess it up. Pretty simple. So let me grab my other bulb here. Boom. Boom. That goes in. Push firmly, and then it'll hold. Should be able to whoop, and that's it. So that's your bulb. Your new bulb's in there. It's ready to go in. If you look at the top of this, it says top and there's a directional arrow. So that's the way you rotate it. So this goes in right in here. Boom. Found a little spot and it clicks into place. So I twisted this way, putting it back in. That goes in there. Then we grab our cover here. That goes in as well. Cool. And that's it. Brand new bulbs in there. It's ready to go. I hope this helped out. For most 2006 Volkswagens, it's going to be very the same or very similar, unless it's an LED or HID, something other than a normal standard bulb. It may be a different setup, and those are complicated. Find another video for that if you have that. Otherwise, if you have a regular bulb, it's really simple to take that out, switch it out. So thanks for joining me. If this video helped, like, share, subscribe, do all that stuff. Just smash that like button, and we'll see you next time. I have all sorts of tutorials on my channel, so check those out. If you need to know how to do any of the light bulbs on the car, I do the rear bulbs, the reverse light bulbs, how to check your oil, kind of just like all basic maintenance stuff on the car, on this Volkswagen Rabbit 2006. Thank you, and good evening.